It's me, Jasmine, with Matthew, and we're going to be doing Who Gets the Food Challenge. We have a banana and hot fries. Now we're going to pick a paper to see which one is which. I'll go first. I got banana. Now let's see what you get.
Hot fries.
Huh?
I hope that's in the video.
It is. Okay.
Hot fries.
So I got a banana and he got hot fries. Now we're going to eat it. Let's set the phone down.
This is hard to get off.
It's good. Noodles come from the jungle, I'm pretty sure.
It did. They got it from the jungle. Alright, my mom went to the jungle and got bananas and put them together. And
That's actually true. We're not lying. She did see some wild animals, and she got a exotic bird, which I thought was pretty cool. Matthew needs help opening the hot fries. There's a hair tie on it.
Yeah, my sister Molly put it on there on purpose so we can't get them. Now we're gonna have to get a different banana, but we're using the same hot fries.
Okay. Here's the hot fries. You may get your
Let's
bag.
put them on.
No, don't get a banana. Don't get a banana. It's okay.
Give me some water.
We're gonna need a bottle of water, so get me a bottle of water. Get a bottle of water. Just in case these are hot, because we have extreme hot fries.
Yeah, they're probably very hot. What's open them?
We got ours in Florida.
Yeah.
Of course. Now, I'm gonna try the tiniest one. Okay. Let me open my water. Matthew's already saying hot, hot. I just ate mine.
You know what this means? It means yes in sign language. Hey guys, whoever ain't got hot, this is good.
Whoever drinks the most water loses. So right now, Matthew's the loser. You can see mine's completely full. We're gonna eat as much hot fries as we can. Ew, I have to drink water. The loser wins. So you have to get yours as down before mine. Woo! It's really spicy. I have a banana just in case. He's chugging the water. Chug, 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 chug. Ah! Don't drink all your water. He's like drinking all his water.
Well, right now I'm the winner. She's the loser.
I'm just kidding. No, whoever has the most water left wins. Look how far you're down.
Yeah. These are hot fries.
I'm winning. He's losing.
Hey, these hot fries are very hot.
Spicy, spicy, spicy. I'm gonna drop one in my water. I'm too scared. I got one stuck in between my teeth. Ow. Don't drink most of the water. I'm winning.
Well, these are hot. I need to drink a lot of it.
Tiniest hot fry ever.
Whoever eats the most hot fries wins.
No, I'm not doing that. Okay, that was hot.
Yeah, it was.
We're almost tied. So far he's losing and I'm winning because my water's all the way up here. I'm going to you on this side now, because this side's hot.
I got super hot because of red.
I saw the wrong way. I think I'm about to vomit.
But your chips went down the waterway. Man, it's hot.
We're gonna put some more on our napkin. Get the littlest one again.
Ooh. These are hot. Hey guys, do not ever eat very hot fries.
Extreme! We got the last ones in this complete.
Yeah. Don't ever eat these kind. They're very hot. They burn your mouth off. We're doing
Banana backup time. Don't wipe it on his shirt. He's destroying his shirts over here.
whoever was this with the water.
Huh? Yeah, so our sister just toed on us. That's rude, ain't it?
Yes. Alright, get a hot. Alright, I'm eating the rest. This is gonna be extremely hot. Alright, Jasmine?
Oh my god! So if you know Nathaniel Coulter goes to sight run, he's in my class, he can say, oh my god, but my eye look like belly buttons, and all that type of stuff. It's really awesome. So if you see him on YouTube, comment down below on his and say, oh my god. And you can comment down below on ours, and you will get something free, and it's something special.